Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's morning here, guys, and today I'm going for a hike. I'm going to O-LDONYO SABUK National Park, which is around 85 kilometers away from Nairobi town and 22 kilometers away from Thika town. I'm going to be doing Kilimambogo. So Kilimambogo is within O-LDONYO SABUK National Park. So guys, watch this video till the end. Keep watching. I'll be updating you. So it is still early. It's around 5 a.m. So we are meeting up with a crew, friends, and guys we work out with. So today is a hiking weekend. See you guys. So guys, we are in Thika. This is Thika town. How do you call this place? Is it Thika? This is Thika Garissa Road. We are headed to O-LDONYO SABUK, guys. This is Thika Garissa Road. As you can see, people are working out. We are headed to O-LDONYO SABUK for a hike. Kindly keep watching this video. Watch out. I'm with my guy here, Mr. Joshua. Joshua is my neighbor. We work out with him, and we're also going out for a hike together. So watch this video till the end, guys. I hope you like it. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, you're turning left to O-LDONYO. That is O-LDONYO. If you see, this is O-LDONYO National Park. So we are going this way.
Turning left.
Left. It's not right.
No, turn left.
So guys, I was getting lost, man. This way. So this way.
For 2 kilometers.
So guys, we are visiting this area for a hike. This is where we are visiting for a hike. As you can see, it's mountainous from far. Very hilly. You can see the mountain just ahead of me. So stay tuned. Watch this till the end. Guys, we've arrived. As you can see, we have friends who are welcoming us. Guys, we are here. As you can see, we are here at O-LDONYO SABUK National Park. It's a bit morning. It is morning. So guys, welcome to O-LDONYO SABUK. This is O-LDONYO SABUK. As you can see, the monkeys. So guys, welcome. So guys, welcome to O-LDONYO SABUK National Park. So we're here, guys. As you can see, they say do not litter. Animals have a right of way. Follow this journey. Yeah. Mimi ndio wa mwisho. So guys, we started our journeys. Oh, we need to pray. Okay. Let's pray. They don't know. Most of the, I think everybody there is new.
The next turning point, I think it's better than the kuna place tunapatana na hapo kanjia hapo. Alafu na desert.
Hey, but Mount Kenya is normal. Mount Kenya, I think, is the second steep ascent in the world.
No, let me tell you.
Steepest.
You need to go down.
Wapi?
You done Kili?
Kilimanjaro? No, as in terms of ascent heavy, you see, it is sharp. Kili is like, you go like this.
No, there's the summit pusher. Equally the same. It's just that Kili is longer.
Because I read somewhere, in terms of steep ascent, Mount Kenya is the second in the world.
I think we are looking at the technical, not the normal claims. This is Batian.
Yeah.
Batian. Not the,
in fact, I used Batian, the Batian side.
I think the rock climbing, like we are doing Nelion and Batian, those are steep.
Yeah, Nelion, because we did Batian when I went.
Not route. No,
the Nini.
When you go to Lenana summit, so you see
the other two.
Those two. You climbed those two.
No, I was on Lenana.
Oh, Lenana side. So those two are the ones which are referred as
steep.
Yeah.
Oh, the steepest ascent.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is a vertical wall. Yeah.
I remember the time we were there's a Chinese guy who had died.
Yeah. 2018.
Yeah. The Chinese guy he had done like almost every mountain in the world.
Yeah.
This one killed him.
Yeah, he was I think people understand for that guy. He was not listening to the guide.
Yeah.
Hey, you're coming back. You just wait. You just wait there.
Feels like you are delaying him. You are delaying him.
You can ask your brother also to remove the set.
Funga laces.
Kuja.
Tie your laces. You're documenting this.
You're documenting.
Whoa. So guys, we are going up. As you can see, we are going up. Hii ni fun. So guys, we are going up. We are going up. I've never done this before. This is the first time I'm doing this. The rest of the crew is there. Guys are back behind there. Ta-da-da. Ta-da-da. Joshua una sweat. Joshua sunscreen nimemshamwagia. But it's good to keep warm. Yeah, it's good to keep the heat inside.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
You burn, it burns a lot of fat.
Oh, it assists in burning the fat.
Yeah, it's burning.
You need to cool off.
So Joshua, have you ever done this before?
I've done.
You've done this? Oh,
Yes.
This is your second time here?
This is my second time here, but I've done it. I've also done Longonot.
Oh, Longonot? I've never been to Longonot.
I've done Longonot and this is the second time. So I've done 3.
3, eh? So, when did you do this one last?
2018.
2018. Those are 5 years.
And
not even 5.
2017.
2017.
Longonot 2017.
Oh.
This one 2018.
Oh. And my guy?
No, me is my first time actually.
It's your first time.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
In fact, I was viewing it as hiking, the one that we see in movies with ropes and stuff. That's why I was even almost.
You are worried.
Yeah. When he said
No, that is zipping.
we are more of now I'm getting a little of this. Yeah. Well, when we say it's walking and boarding, nasema hapo niko.
I also did Mount Kenya way back in 2018.
Okay.
And the reason why it will always remain to be in my mind is my mom had been sick for almost like 3-4 years.
3-4 years.
She was just in bed. Okay. Then I had friends who came all the way from the UK. They were military guys.
Oh.
2 from Canada, 2 from the UK. All were military. I just met them online and we were doing something to do with hiking. And so they came. We went to Mount Kenya. We stayed there for 3 days. And the day that
you just camped at Mount Kenya?
Yeah, we camped there. We arrived there through Narumoru. Then we camped at the gate. And then after I had finished climbing down, my phone. You see, when you are on top of Mount Kenya, come this way. I don't want to be the other side. Yeah, it doesn't want to be feeling. So when you are down Mount Kenya, like when you are in Mount Kenya, sometimes your phone freezes. Because your phone freezes, especially when you get to the top. Your phone sometimes it doesn't even function.
Oh, because of that.
Yeah. So I had stayed there. Then I came down. The moment I climbed down, the first call I received, my mom had passed on. Yeah, and I was so weak. I was so weak. I see people, they needed me in Western, not even Nairobi. They needed me in Western Kenya. And all the way from Mount Kenya to Western, that was the longest journey.
It was the longest journey.
It was the longest. I was literally crying.
So you went direct?
Yeah, I left. I came to Nairobi, packed my stuffs. My guests, because they were staying with me, the guys from the UK, they are staying with me. So they had to book an emergency flight because they had literally nobody around who they knew, and they had come because of me. So their journey had to end. Yeah, then the same day I traveled home. It was one of the longest journeys of my life. So I always remember that experience, and I think I'll one day go and do Mount Kenya in her honor. Oh, in her honor. Yeah, because it's not easy. Yeah. You can see people are psyched up. I thought it's gonna be difficult. So guys, we are inside within this Kilimambogo or O-LDONYO SABUK. What is the difference?
Kilimambogo within O-LDONYO SABUK.
Oh, this is
O-LDONYO
Kilimambogo.
SABUK is now the park.
The park itself.
Kilimambogo is the mlima.
The mlima.
I tend to think the word Mbogo in Kikuyu means Nyati.
Nyati.
So mlima ya Nyati, if I'm not wrong, that's my own thinking. And you say there is also Kilimambogo TTC just
around here.
Yeah, before you made the turning to the gate. I saw the direction. Sasa ipaki kwa common na wildlife gani? Nyati obvious.
Buffaloes.
Buffaloes, yeah. Wanda ni hiyo mbogo hiyo.
Oh, mbogo should be a buffalo.
Yeah, mbogo is a buffalo in Kikuyu.
So there are buffaloes here. So are there chances that we will bump into one or one will bump into us? No. Oh.
Oh. So basically mbogo peke yake. Mbogo most probably. Maybe alafu swara. Predators by the way. I think. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, guys.
And but I think that's
Unajua kushika kitu mtu anachoka.
unataka to film all the way.
No, you just film. This one you are filmed the 6 minutes. You cannot film all the way. You film a bit, man.
Because it's also the battery factor.
Do you know? You speak to the audience.
Hapana. You need to focus.
Joshua anajiangalia alafu anaanza kucheka.
Easy mtu easy.
Yeah, it's not easy if you've never done it.
Easy. Yeah.
It's not easy. That is the team behind. The team behind. Or is it the behind team?
Team behind. The backbenchers.
The backbenchers. The rest of the team is behind there. Which one? This one? Yep. You have tomorrow to rest. Yeah.
Unakunywa maji ama mna?
No, bado hata sijaanza kunywa maji. Nikianza, I have a problem. If I start drinking this water, it will get finished right now.
Oh.
Pole. Tararara. There is a migration of ants. Ndio tumeanza hike. So guys, we are here. Asa mbele ni kama kwa na extra energy.
Unaona? Ama mimi ndio mzee.
At least tukitokea pale juu hakuna shortcut nyingine.
Mimi nilikuwa nafikiria sasa tuende all the way. Sema kumbe hike.
You are lucky.
Kumbe bado.
We'll be waiting for other people as time goes by. Even me, I'm not fit.
And these stones look unique too.
Yeah. There could be minerals within here. Ra. Hey guys, it's not easy. It is coming to you live from Kilimambogo in O-LDONYO, SABUK. Hey. The other guys were still down there. Sorry, people are still peeping. My guy.
Save the best for the next time.
Yeah. Now there are groups. Yeah. Where? Guys, you can hear me panting. We are going up. Breathe. So guys, this is how the forest looks like from within. There is a steep ascent here. That is the first batch of the trail. Those are the team leaders up there. The trail has started breaking off. There are people down there. Guys, the other lot is down there. Welcome to the real hike. The rest of the team is coming up slowly. The other guys are still down.
I think that's a strategy.
It's not a strategy.
Those guys are...
Either way, you have to come up.
Either way, you have to come up.
Because if we have to travel together, it means by the time they are arriving where the rest of the group will be, you will have rested. Hey, kumbe niko unfit. I thought I'm fit.
Umekuwa long bila kuchapatiza.
I only do gym of late, but with little cardio. I was doing boxing, but time, because I've been traveling for quite some time.
So boxing do you coach or unaifanya professionally?
No, I just do boxing for fun.
For fun?
Professionally, I don't think in Kenya boxing pays.
You are 1 in a million.
Yeah.
By the way, that's true. It was some other countries, really called the main thing.
Yeah, if it was in most of these developed countries, I would consider doing it professionally. But here in Kenya, you prepare for a whole season, you win, you only get medals. And they're not even gold medals, they're just normal medals.
And it doesn't translate to
You cannot sell them. Yeah. They don't have value.
You don't have money.
Yeah, no, they don't have value. Yeah. So
they're just there to be seen.
Exactly.
And memories.
Yeah.
That's all.
So guys, we are deep inside the O-LDONYO SABUK National Park. This park is found in Thika town of Garissa Road or Garissa Highway. The people around here are farmers. Yeah. They do apple. Not apple, pineapple. Pineapples, apples, mangoes. This is where you find the Del Monte.
Yeah.
Del Monte company. Ooh. So guys, as you can see, I am panting, not just panting. I'm breathing heavily. Yeah? Adi? They knew why they wanted us to use this. Hey, whoa. See, the other group is down. The people were still far. Very far. This is just the second group. The other group is down. But at least we can rest.
You're broadcasting live.
Yeah, I'm documenting.
Coming live from O-LDONYO SABUK.
Yeah.
Coming live from O-LDONYO SABUK.
How do you feel?
Man.
Have you done this before?
Live
I
coverage.
would say about almost 14 years ago. Yeah, second year in campus.
Where?
Ngong.
That's long.
Okay.
Huh?
So this one.
And our photographer.
What was the question?
For how long have you been doing this?
No,
Yes,
give me a
I've been
season.
doing this, but I took a bit of a break. Yeah.
When was the last time you hiked?
Last time was 3 months ago.
You are a hiker. You are a hiker. For me, the last I did was in 2018.
Okay.
Yeah, Mount Kenya.
Wow.
But by those days I was a bit lean and I was fit. This one,
So God is good.
yeah. I've been there. But at least I think we should be working on such events.
Yeah, by the way,
Regularly.
What about quarterly, if possible?
Yeah, quarterly would be
Quarterly
good.
is much better. Yearly
Quarterly
it
would be good.
almost ni kama uendani.
Yeah.
Quarterly would be good.
So quarterly ni kwa.
We can do even 4.
Yeah.
4 in a year.
4 in a year. So we organize the second one should be
more steeper than this. Then we can do Kilimanjaro and Mount Kenya again as a group. Yeah.
I want to target Mount Kenya in April next year.
April, eh?
Yeah.
We can do. I would still want to do Mount Kenya, so that I can have second experience.
You good?
Yeah. My guy, how you feeling?
Okay.
You okay? Aye.
So tomorrow will be nothing injury.
Tomorrow will be rest day, because this one is directly going into your quads, hamstring, legs, and stuff,
Lungs.
and your lungs.
You're testing your oxygen quotient.
Yeah, but if you're able to do this, like let's say in a month you do this twice, you'll be so fit.
Very.
Wow. It's not easy. So the rest of the pack has broken. It's only us. You are the pack leaders. The rest, they're still down there. So guys, we are going up. You're still going up. There's another group coming. You can see even the elderly are working out. The elderly are working out. Hey wazee. Habari.
Safi.
Murioko. Oh yeah. So those guys they are elderly.
To the young generation.
Yeah, this is a challenge.
It's a huge challenge.
Those guys are around 70 years.
Imagine.
70 plus. And they can do this.
Meaning they were here earlier, they're now going back.
Yeah. So guys, that is our team leader. That is the pack leader. To him it's like nothing. Yeah. Hey. Well, I'm tired, man.
Now you see,
Yeah.
places like this,
Yeah.
where there are no shrubs but a little of grass. This is where the nyatis come
To feed, eh?
to feed and maybe to lie down to rest.
Nyati is rhino.
Yeah, nyati.
Or
Nyati
warthog.
is buffalo.
Or buffalo.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm told within this forest we have buffaloes.
Buffaloes.
Yeah.
Nyati.
In Kiswahili we call them nyati.
In Kikuyu, bogo.
In Kikuyu they call it bogo.
Yeah.
Why Mbogo? I thought Mbogo is the name of a person.
No, they also are ngobe.
Oh, Wangombe.
No, ngobe is a cow. They use the same.
But these stones, they're very shiny.
You see?
Yeah.
As I was saying, almost all of them. There must be minerals.
There could be minerals here.
I think it's a week ago.
Huh?
The world.
They cannot be fruits because they are monkeys.
Yeah.
Hey, where are the rest of the guys?
The picture.
The rest of the guys are. We need to wait for them. They might have taken a different route.
Yeah, so that we can have a good scene.
Yeah, now you can sit here.
Looks awesome.
Which pond is that? How much down?
Yeah, I'm also seeing it.
Yeah. So down there is the pineapple farms, eh? All these zoom disabled. Oh. The rest of the park they are far.
No, they're just here.
No, there's another park. You see, there is him.
Yeah.
There is a park of two ladies, and the rest of the team, they are very far. Yeah. Here there are two ladies. Then there's another crop that is. Linda is behind. Yeah. The good thing about being up front, you get to rest.
You get time to rest. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm experiencing it.
This is the first time hiking.
Yeah, it's my first, very fast.
Very fast.
Very fast.
Actually, for me, it's like my very first too.
Ah,
Because the last time, 20 years ago.
Me, I think what has given me the spirit when we were young, our parents used to engage us kulima na kupalilia. Sasa that made us fit automatically. Sasa doing stuff like hiking, doing what is it?
It's natural.
I know I can do it, though I've never done it, but I know I can do it.
You have the will.
I have the will. We've been exposed to hardship. That's the word.
You're child labor.
Child labor. Unatoka shule, unachukua jembe, unaenda shamba.
Unaenda unalima.
So you are fit automatically by benefiting your parents.
Yeah.
Hey! You okay?
Sisi hapo hatuwezi ongea. Ile shule was 500 meters away.
Away from you go,
So
you
you
go.
just have to walk.
Where are your friends?
No, she was alone. There was another lady who was behind her. I think she's
Mama Nelson. Unajua you've been complaining all the way na una lead the pack.
Lemon ameenda wapi? Lemon was my peseta. Now they are resting.
Ndio walikuwa wanajeti kaongeendelea tu. Ndio walikuwa na energy wangeendelea tu.
Kwanza Lemon alikuwa anasukuma. No.
we are resting. We are waiting for the rest of the pack.
We are not even halfway.
Are those ants climbing your feet?
Wait, oh,
You have ants. Huh?
They are many. Just check. Give you a bite.
Wamekuwa wajua nini?
Hiyo ni nini noma? Ni noma.
Kwanza wa place rocky.
Nilifanya hivi.
Stamp your feet.
No, uzuri.
My tight is.
Oh, so yezi.
That thing happened tukilima shamba. Boom.
Ziliingia na zisemagi zikiingia.
I think tulilima their hill.
Their hill.
And then
zikatoka zote.
when we came back, we didn't know. There was a colony.
Alafu mkajirudisha.
We didn't know. So tatembea kumbe these guys zikapanda akala.
Let's go.
And then they bite at the same time, all of them.
Now the next thing, the pilot,
The commander in chief.
he's got a command. The guy threw the ox now and they started running.
You wonder what is happening.
The guy was scratching himself all over.
The ants are all over.
We got napanda, so our hands were there too. The guy stripped naked.
You wonder what is happening.
Akajitengo and then he came back.
Yeah.
I think tunafika juu sasa hivi. This trail isn't
It's not as steep as the other one.
Sasa hapa sasa gradient improve.
Gradient has changed.
Hapa iko afueni. It's much better.
Oh, yeah, on the main road again.
Kitambasie.
Okay.
Kitambasie. Hiking trail.
This is a kamba what? Sivyo? Kitambasi. That's a
It's kamba.
It's a kamba what? Kama imegawanyika.
Iko open.
Oh.
Imetandazwa.
Kitambasi.
Oh, kitambasie means? Oh, imetandasi.
Tandazwa.
Oh.
Hiking trail.
So if we have used the other route, tungekuja hivi.
Kuja hivi. Most probably. So
I
this
think
was
he is a shortcut. You may
But
kill
you
like maybe
can't.
2 or 3 kilometers.
but it iko na impact mzuri sana.
Because unajua gari, this lane is too steep for
Yes.
car.
So if let's say if you come with a car, the driver waits for you here. You guys use this one. It is okay. So we wait for them here. So guys, we are resting. Yeah, this is the first lot of the trail.
Proceed to watupate mbele. They might not.
Lakini hapa hata tukiwaacha wako safe. I remember the first time tulienda Mount Satima. So mama team is faster than me. So nienda mbele, ameniacha. Then at some point, namuona amestop, then ameanza kurudi. Kumbe kile mape huko mbele, ameenda kwa order train ya Leopard.
We can just proceed. But because we'll have to wait them for an hour. Asa amelemewa.
Yeah. So guys, we are at the observation point. As you can see, observation point 1,737 meters. So this is an observation point. If you want to observe the mountains, people are taking a break. Bro, taking a break. Yeah. Hey, the other place looks nice. The vegetation, the plantation. So you can. What, so or resort you call? I thought you have, when you sit here you call them. I was like, why would why would you call? So you want food, you can call these guys.
They can deliver.
They can deliver here pizza when you are so hungry. Yeah. You can sit. Guys, taking a rest from the rest of the group. What is tomorni?
Tomorni, the variant.
There's a man, so when they bite you, they're like bees or wasp.
Yeah.
It stings for a while, the black ones. Siko sana sana Western Nyanza huku pengine sikojua sana. Ikikusting, it stays for like ni kama ya nyuki.
It takes a while.
For a while. Those black ants, they call it ochungulo.
See those variants, they're called tomorni.
They are teaching me new languages. Tomorni, ochungulo.
Tomorni and ochungulo.
German and French.
And German and French. So which one is German? Ochungulo. Aye. So guys, we are resting. Taking a rest as we wait for the rest of the group. So keep watching. Subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah.
These are good. These are good. Very well spent.
Hii inatoka saizi. Ile ni ya kuoshwa.
This one you will watch yourself kwa group. We're almost there. How many kilometers to go? A summit, 2.6 kilometers.
2.6. Nilikwambia 3.
Protection of environment. So guys, still have 2.6 kilometers ahead of us. Ni millipeders.
No, kuna venye ukikanyaga inajikoil.
Yeah. This one. Haiwezi amka.
Hiyo.
Imeadopt.
Hiyo story ilikuwa positive.
Sisi tumefanya hiyo tumefight hapo.
No, lakini ilikuwa tu nonsense hivi yake. Kila mtu yuko na preferences zake. Kuna mtu for him KH ni final destination, so anasema change the mortgage tumekaa hapa. Kuna mtu yeye maybe anataka kaa hapa while it's convenient.
Exactly.
Place ingine.
Yeah.
Right now they're really fighting Airbnbs. But you know what? You can't fight. You see?
Kuna vita zingine. I know hormonal don't like here. But
naona mzee mwingine wocha. Kwa hiyo sisi tuligrow kwa miwa sasa ikiwa miwa.
yes.
Bukas.
Sasa mzee wale wazee wocha wameananga kitu. Their Christmas comes style every 2 years.
Yes.
Ndio kikatwa.
And they are getting some good pay.
Akipata sana na matress kama 10 amezipanga mpaka chini. Really?
Za nini?
Ufala tu yani. Ufala tu.
I thought this. Hiyo group yetu basi inatembea pole pole ya.
Pesa ikishizo kwa matress zinaanza kuuzwa tabu. Zinaanza kwa mbotanga. One by one.
Hiyo kitu wangasad sana.
Guys, we are about getting there. We are almost getting to the peak. 1.6 kilometers to the peak.
Ngine siku amepata sasa ile shopping imefanywa pale market. Ulikuwa unaweza jua wenye watu wamebana market. Unaweza jua mtu amepata pesa. Nyama sijui kilo ngapi, kuku nini.
Shopping.
Hey. Hizi zote mtakula leo. Na una fridge, unajua una stima. Hiyo masiku.
Nakumbuka kwa Camp LD. Mtu ulikuwa unaweza jua ile farmers wamelipwa.
Wa mahindi. Wa miwa.
Kai wa huko. Ni watu wamesikia farmers wamelipwa.
They travel. They fly to where there is money. Na unatumianga very fast.
But hii generation yetu lina trauma. Mtu amepitia kwa watoto. Mahadship. Wengine bado anadinda ma siblings wale wakosea kikaa kwake.
Payback, it's payback.
I think we will do better one.
That is why when you're raising your kids, unaangalia the things that affected you when you are growing up, to ensure they don't also affect them. Yeah. Because see, most of these things are generational. If you don't solve them now, your kids will not even solve them, and they will pass it to the next generation. They normally say, before a man realizes that his father was right, he already has a son who knows he is wrong. So everything starts with you. Whoop.
Trauma mingi sana.
Yeah.
Mama huyu alisema tukiwa watoto. Sasa huko 48 was 16. Mwingine hata mlikuwa mnashangana naye manzi mko teenagers. Mpaka sasa hivi mnaweza kuwa ni friends lakini unaona kuna kitu bado kunatoka kitu kwa garage chako na.
Yes. Kuna
You have not healed.
akajaisha.
Yeah.
Mimi nakwambia kama granddad akiviko. Baadaye nikiambia hivi kinafanya. Nilikuwa nikiangalia hivi kinafanya. Niulizani watu. Kwani mlijio kadosi hivi? Mimi nakwambia siji bulls imechinjwa 5.
People eat.
Watu wanakula. Wao wanabuli imechinjwa. Unaona mtu amekaa na nikiti pale. Sijui ametuma mtu yeye ameingia vile. Mtu amekuja na siblings zake kawa sisi. Unaona ametoka na mguu ya ng'ombe.
Amfanya outside catering.
Okay, nilikuwa kitambo kiasi baya.
So we are almost at the peak. This is how the peak looks like. Almost, we are almost there. So many receivers, satellite dishes. We don't know what are these, but we are almost at the peak. The gradient has gone down. Yeah, that's our group. The rest of the group is way down there. Hapa ndio peak. Guys, yeah, there. This is how the peak looks like. The peak looks like these. Technology. Oh, this is technology. I thought the peak is something.
Ayaiwanga anti-climber.
Oh, it's anti-climber.
Hapa yeye inanga.
Najua tarehe kama 20 minutes ndio afika.
Hata itapita.
Okay. Basi tupumzike bwana.
So there is no hotel here. And they are hungry.
Kuna mazao sisikii sahi kwa kula. Ndio umefika?
Ndio umefika ama ndio mlifika?
Sasa tumeona tukikuja na ile group ya Aida. Tutafika hapa.
Wale watakuja after 2 hours.
How long ago?
Come on, 5 minutes.
So this is the peak, guys. O-LDONYO SABUK summit. This is the summit from the gate. This is 9 kilometers. Huh? It's not far.
Iko sawa sasa. So which means ni 9. Yeah? No, 9.
So when you come it's 9, when you go back it's 9. The ultimate hiking experience. Congratulations, hongera.
Come on kabisa.
So guys, as you can see, we are at the peak. We are at the peak. This is a congratulations, hongera, O-LDONYO SABUK peak. As you can see, people are warming down, or is it cooling down? Which team is this?
Huh?
Which team is this?
I see Milimani.
Eh? Oh, it's a church.
Church, yeah.
Oh,
Men fellowship.
oh, men fellowship. Eh? That is nice. So it's like a team building. Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that is nice. So guys, this is a AIC Milimani Church. It's a men fellowship team. As you can see, they are being led by one of their leaders. They're warming down. They're warming down. Ulikuwa umebeba lunch na ukusema? Ukusema tununue yogurt bana. Ambewa ni wanu wa church. Hii ni IC.
Wacha tu walianza
Nimeambia nyinyi.
So guys, this is the peak, another peak, as you can see. Maybe Lizia, just go and ask the guy seated there. Si wenu. Hiyo ni group yangu. Just ask, be free, yeah, you ask. So guys, this is the peak of Kilimambogo, which is found in the O-LDONYO SABUK forest. As you can see, we have a lot of boosters here and receivers, internet staffs. All these are found at the peak. This is the end of this hiking journey. This is the end of this hiking journey, guys. I will see you on the other side. See you on the other side, guys. See you on the other side. We're done with hiking, guys. Done with this. We are at the peak. I'm at the peak, as you can see. I'm at the peak. Yeah, so many people who've managed to be on the peak. Oh, sorry.
Melvin, kuja tuchukue na yeye. Hii kwa reminder.
We did it.
You are here? Yes, I'm here. I was here. As you can see, guys. So, see you guys. Thanks. So until next time, guys, see you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for always showing your support. Tomorrow I'll be having another event. I'm a sports guy. I was born sportish. I'm always sporty. I like sporting stuff. So see you guys on my next episode. Thanks for tuning in. I'll end this video here. Goodbye.